Is your company experiencing low production capacity? If so, there is a few common reasons we hear customers struggle with this and how DSA has helped address these very problems. Manual manufacturing processes. Statistics show 64% of a manufacturer's time is spent on activities that are actually able to be automated. Although through automation with DSA, you can actually offer development opportunities to the operators doing manual tasks. Substandard OEE. DSA will help you analyze and improve OEE by acquiring and managing real-time data and, based on that data, suggest the necessary changes. Production and supply chain bottlenecks. DSA is your resource for upgrading machines and processes to create products in a higher volume or enter new markets. Cumbersome workflows. Data science automation's MES solutions makes it possible to manage the rules, procedures, tasks, and notifications to seamlessly integrate the various aspects of workflow for optimal execution.